Hi there. Finding the 5 best Windows Mini PCs worthy of your earned money is certainly challenging. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Check the product links below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is UM700 Mini PC. This powerful mini PC is square and smaller than a mouse pad, making it perfect for office workers, students and creative professionals who work from home. It looks good sitting on your desk, but thanks to its mounting plate you are able to hide it from view if necessary. Additionally, its small size makes it easy to transport. Simply unplug the cables and put the workhorse with its power adapter into a backpack to take it wherever you go. The device has one USB-C port on the front as well as 2 USB 3.2 Type-A ports, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a power button. There are also more USB ports on its back, as well as HDMI and DisplayPort for hooking up a monitor. Early in January, the company announced that a version with Manjaro Linux preloaded would cost $70 less than the Windows version. Minusforum offers versions of this model in various RAM and storage configurations, and some have 2 gigabit Ethernet ports, whereas the Linux preloaded version has a 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet port. Consider that when ordering and check the type and number of Ethernet ports included if wired networking is important to you. Number 2. Our second best pick is Dell OptiPlex 3080 Micro PC. Dell has been in the business of mini PCs for years. Since launching its OptiPlex series many years ago, the company has developed it into full-size PCs, SFF, and micro offerings. The OptiPlex 3090 Micro came out in late 2021, replacing the 3080 of a year ago, with the main differences being its ability to support 64 GB of memory on its 2 memory slots, and all of its USB ports are 3.2 Gen 1. This unit is designed to sit vertically next to a monitor, leaving the front USB port and power button within easy reach. With microphone and headphones ports, it makes a great video conferencing tool. Windows 10 comes preloaded, but there is an option to have Windows 11 Pro installed. There is a 2.5-inch storage slot for a SATA-based HDD or SSD inside, as well as 2 M.2-based slots. One holds the bundled PCI SSD, and another holds the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card. The system can be fine-tuned if ordered directly from Dell, with options ranging from a quad-core Intel i3 to an 8-core Intel i7, more RAM or replacing the SSD with a FIPS-certified self-encrypting drive. Number 3. Our third best pick is Lenovo ThinkCentre Mini Computer. With its M720Q, Lenovo screams professional from every angle. This unit has a small footprint, can be used horizontally or vertically, and measures an impressive 7 inches by 1.35 inches. It has rubbed pads to prevent it from sliding on the desk, and a stand can be used to position it vertically. This sturdy metal enclosure houses a 6-core Intel i5-9400T that can reach 3.4 GHz. The Mini PC uses a desktop-grade processor instead of a lower-power mobile one, and the graphics are handled by an Intel UHD 630 integrated graphics card. There is a wide range of CPU, RAM and storage configurations available for this model, with the highest-end version currently being an Intel i7-8700T with a 1TB SSD and 32 GB RAM for 2.5x the price of this mid-level configuration. After that's out of the way, you'll see the empty 2.5 inch storage bay where you'll be able to add a SATA SSD or HDD. Since it is a business device, it comes with many perks IT managers will love, like the Lenovo Vantage software that allows them to do everything from performing hardware scans to updating software and checking warranty status. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Beelink GTR5 Mini PC. With the Beelink GTR7 Mini PC, Beelink has produced a workstation-class desktop in a small, shiny package that makes it a strong PC competitor to the Mac Mini with some extra perks and functionality that raise eyebrows. Its fingerprint reader at the top of the case is one of its biggest advantages over almost any other mini PC, making it a good choice for the security conscious and well suited for both business settings and your home working space. Its 2 gigabit Ethernet ports also make it an excellent firewall for running an intrusion detection system like Circulators, or for other edge-of-network functions. With its support for up to 4 displays, it is great for image editing, video monitoring, digital signage, or just the news junkie that wants to watch live news TV on one display and work on 3 others. Even if you ignore the extra perks, such as dual gigabit Ethernet and a fingerprint reader, it can also be a very good entertainment system hooked to a living room TV. Furthermore, thanks to its internal 2.5-inch bay for SATA HDD or SSDs, its storage can be expanded, making it a good long-term machine. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is ZOTAC ZBOX Nano Silent Mini PC. Depending on how much money you want to spend on a mini PC, sometimes it's best to build your own because you can reuse components you might already have, such as an old laptop's 2.5 inches HDD or SSD, or buy SDIMM memory online for a good price. Cases and motherboards are difficult to match in this form factor, so some companies offer just the bare case with the motherboard. ZOTAC offers you this model with the processor already installed, so you only need to add RAM and storage. In addition to the power button, an SDHC or SDXC card reader, one Type-A and one Type-C USB 3.0 port, and a hard drive/SSD activity LED, this case also has 2 RJ45 Ethernet ports for wired networking. A VESA mount is also included if you want to mount this unit to the back of a monitor. The dual-band 800 2.11 acres Wi-Fi, with a quality external antenna, along with its dual gigabit Ethernet ports make it also well suited to be a router or edge firewall, if you have the knowledge and expertise to set it up. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.